If I had to live my life without you near me, the days would all be empty. The nights would seem so long. I knew I'd see forever oh so clearly. I might have been in love before, but I never feel this strong. Our dreams are young and we both know they'll take us where we want to go. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't want to live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. When seeing you can be sure of, I've never asked for